Understanding chest breadth, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, chest breadth. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll explore it in a simple and engaging way. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. Chest breadth refers to the width of a person's chest. It's a measurement often used in fields like clothing design, ergonomics, and health assessments. When we talk about chest breadth, we're looking at the distance across the chest, usually measured from one armpit to the other. Understanding chest breadth is crucial in various scenarios. For instance, in fashion and clothing design, getting this measurement right ensures a comfortable and well-fitting garment. In health and fitness, chest breadth can be an indicator of one's physical condition and development. Let's see how to use chest breadth in everyday conversations or writings. 1. The tailor measured his chest breadth to tailor the suit perfectly. 2. Her remarkable chest breadth is an advantage in swimming. 3. We need to consider the chest breadth of the players when designing the team's jerseys. Be careful not to confuse chest breadth with chest width. While they sound similar, chest width might refer more generally to the frontal view of the chest, not specifically the measurement across it. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of chest breadth. Remember, it's a specific term with practical applications in various fields. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. See you in the next video.